来，砸门，
可以随便叫他走的话，这几年就算白养了，是吧？好了，各位小伙伴们，那我现在来到的是云梦东站，在这儿呢，跟各位小伙伴们拍一下这个云梦东站的景色，好不好？那么咱们马上开始。你热吗？热吗？热吗？热我们就继续。小伙伴们，这个是那个24孝的故事呢。我数了一下啊，你看这边呢，这边总共是小伙伴们看一下这边呢，我背后的这边有1、2、3、4、5、6个的话，这边一个上面有2个故事，2个24孝的故事。想必呢，在那边的话也有6个，那就是24孝的故事。哎，还有点文化啊！
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, it's the world honestly burning. That's all I'm learning, hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds, we put the work in, we got some work, man. I started to go. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone, just wanna break, no. I'm not gonna give in, take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop off fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I started to go, gotta get through. I started to go, gotta get through. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through.
小伙伴刚刚在那个高铁站上面夜飞了下，在这儿呢，给各位小伙伴呢友情提示一下，千万不要学我啊，这是非常的危险的。因为我当时心里就是在想啊，如果说我这无人机我掉下来把别人高铁动车给砸着了，那得几个亿赔啊，那可能整个下半辈子，那没有下半辈子了，是不是？所以说呢，千万不要模仿，千万不要模仿我。像我这种这是特例的话，要让我第二次飞的话，我也不会这样飞了，确实很危险。试想一下，真的，高铁无人机落下来把高铁砸了，那可能到时候要上世界新闻呢，全世界都要知道我这个成了名人了，这不想出名都难呐。所以不要模仿，知道吗？这是不可复制的，好了，那就这期视频呢就真的到这儿了。希望各位小伙伴们呢在航拍的过程当中呢要注意安全第一。因为你像我当时拍的时候，大脑在不停的运转，我当时上看左右高度啊，在分析呢当中，让它避免撞到任何东西。如果说它有任何故障落下来的话，那真的就没有下辈子了，那不是几个 W 赔的。好了，这期视频就到这儿，拜拜。